Hello. For example, eventually this helps. I show you selection mask or masking. I take the symmetry off. I select the yeah the lines figure. Then I take the gizmo. In the gizmo, make sure it's on vertex. And now you can push or pull. You can invert the mask and okay. And then you can split the objects or not. It's too much. And then you can subdivide flat subdivision or not, and subdivide. Or yeah, then you can use brushes, but the push-pull with the gizmo and the masking tool is very useful for this kind of transformation. Okay, have fun with sculpting. Ciao.